Hi all, Tony here from Letchworth Motor Auctions. I'm thrilled to show you this spectacular Land Rover Defender pickup we have that will be in our next classic retro and performance auction here on Saturday the 29th of July. And just to remind you, we're still welcoming entries all the way up until the Thursday prior to that, the 27th of July. So if you've got a vehicle that you'd like to put in this auction or know someone, please give us a call on the numbers below or the link below. This vehicle is in great condition inside and out, and as you'll see around the vehicle, there's been lots of accessories added to it outside and inside. Let's take a look around. Defender 90 pickups, legendary vehicles that captures the attention wherever they go. This remarkable pickup truck was registered in 1986 and holds a very special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts worldwide. This one would certainly have many stories to tell. It was previously used by the Ministry of Defence in Cyprus before being imported back into the UK in 2012. Since then, it's only had one keeper. It's reported to run and drive very well. It was driven here by the owner. It comes with current MOT until May 2024, V5 document and a set of keys. This one presents itself impressively both inside and out. According to the current owner, it has undergone some notable modifications, including a power steering conversion, the installation of a radio and speakers, and a respray from desert sand to a captivating green hue. It's equipped with a new canvas roof. While there isn't any paperwork available to verify these modifications, the vehicle's history can be confirmed through a printout from Merlin Archives. It is truly a remarkable classic that's ready for its next adventure. Thank you for watching. Please mark your calendars for Saturday the 29th of July for our next classic retro and performance sale here at Letchworth Motor Auctions. Please also don't forget to comment, like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the future videos of the new fresh stock here at our next sale. Thank you.